Okay, it's not your turn, Toyo Turd. Jesus Christ, douchebag, get off his ass! Cameroid is not going to stop. I call it. Stay on your side of the road, Grandma! Just block the driveway, stupid. Yep, no problem. Search free person all the time, lady. And that was a cutoff, lady. No turn on red, no turn on red, don't do it. No turn on red. Yeah, he took the wrong turn on red. Wait, did you turn a red light? Left turn red? You're act. Thank you. Thank you so much. Why do I hate bicyclists? Because they pull shit like that. Don't hit him, for Christ's sakes. Hi, can we go? What are you doing? What? Doofus. Red light running. Supercharged. Another red light running. Supercharged. Plastidip is not your friend, dude. I'm tired. Don't pull out in front of... Thank you, Wintergreen, whatever the fuck you are. Don't hit me, please. Thank you. Hi. Because Prius. Are you coming or what? Okay, well, right lane must turn right, stupid. Out of my trunk, dude. Thank you. Get out of my trunk again, you asshole. Thank you. Are you gonna stop? Probably not. Nope. 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 Not even gonna try. Stop. No. Down the phone, lady. Force emerge here. Yeah, Sudoosh. Didn't stop. You're on the wrong side, dude. Good job. And you just ran the red. What the? Did you just run the red? Stop. That was not. Stop. Yeah, just cut him off. Good job, lady.
Oops.
Yeah, it's a big oops. Don't roll the stop, Subadoosh. Don't roll the stop. Thank you so fucking much. Now, forgive me half a second, I wouldn't got out of your way. Don't run the red, you run the red. Stop! No. You're a red arrow, dude. Scooter boy.